In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to italicize text in Prezi step by step so you can quickly format your presentation and make important words stand out. Whether you want to italicize a single word, a sentence, or just part of a text box, this tutorial will make the process simple and easy to follow. And if this helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Prezi tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your Prezi presentation and find the text box that contains the words you want to change. To begin, double-click inside the text box. This is important because it lets you enter editing mode and gives you access to the text inside the box. Once you're in the text box, highlight the specific letters, words, or full sentence that you want to italicize. You can drag your cursor across the text to select only the part you want tilted, which gives you more control over your formatting. After selecting the text, look just above the text box for the gray formatting toolbar. This toolbar usually appears directly above your text and contains the basic formatting tools you need. On that toolbar, locate the Italic icon. It is usually shown as a slanted letter I, and that is the button you'll use to change your text style to Italics. Click the Italic icon once, and the selected text should immediately tilt into Italic formatting. If the icon is not accessible or doesn't seem to work on just part of the text, there's an easy workaround. Highlight the entire text first, then try selecting the Italics icon again. In some cases, changing the font or formatting on the full text box can help make the Italic option available. So if the button seems hidden or inactive, just select all the text in the box, adjust the font if needed, and then apply Italics from the same formatting toolbar. Once you've done that, your text should now appear in Italic style inside Prezi. You can repeat the same steps for any other words or text boxes in your presentation that you want to format. This is a great way to emphasize key points, add styling, and make your presentation look more polished and professional. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next helpful Prezi guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.